In manufacturing, you strive to make a great product every day. Many parts, even thousands, with endless materials and processes. Struggling to maintain quality standards, competitiveness in aggressive markets. Navigating risks each and every day. But things go wrong. Production stops. Parts don't fit. Defective materials. Rework, rejects. Mounting costs and delays. Loss of valuable revenue. Struggling to communicate with remote suppliers. There can be a better way. Donlouco, your partner for parts. Fully integrated supply partner. We take the time to understand your exact needs, eliminating outsourcing risks, based in Europe with manufacturing in the Far East, specializing in complex parts where quality and cost is critical. Donlouco, with full production engineering capability. Full traceability on all parts and materials. Integrated supply chain, logistics management, just-in-time delivery. European hub, consolidated shipping with greater customer flexibility. Eliminating indirect sourcing costs with Donlouco. A local team with a global scope, allowing you to plan with confidence and focus on your value add to customers. A strategic partner for your ultimate lean supply chain manufacturing. Proven track record for quality and competitiveness over the longer term. Donlouco, your partner for parts.